Now, we join EXO in the veggie garden to look at some fragrant herbs.
Herbs are some of the easiest plants to grow. Today, I'm showing you how to pot up a fragrant trio: rosemary, thyme, and oregano. Now, not only do they look beautiful together, but each brings its own incredible flavor in the kitchen. Rosemary is perfect with roasted meats and veggies. It adds a pine-like aroma that lifts any dish. A sprig in olive oil or roast potatoes is simply delicious. Even though thyme has small leaves, it has a big impact. It's fantastic in soups, stews, and even paired with chicken or fish. Oregano is a must for Mediterranean cuisine, especially pizzas and pasta sauces. Its earthy, slightly peppery taste is a kitchen staple. Start with a medium to large pot with good drainage holes. Add a layer of gravel or broken pot pieces at the bottom. Then fill with a light, well-draining potting mix. Mediterranean herbs like these don't like soggy roots, so drainage is key. First, rosemary. Place it at the back or center of the pot since it grows upright and adds height. Next, tuck the thyme on one side. It's a spreading herb that will cascade gently over the edge. On the other side, plant oregano, which forms a lush, bushy mound. Together, they make a balanced and attractive arrangement. Once they're in, water them slightly just to settle the soil, but be careful not to overdo it. Place your pot in a sunny spot. These herbs love at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day. A light trim every now and then keeps them compact and encourages new growth. Give it a try and let your garden and kitchen thrive together.